Hi there, hi there, hi there. Welcome to my channel. I'm TekaBella, and today we're going to learn about how to make a cute little hot chocolate bar right in time for the holiday season. Ooh, so stay tuned. So what you're going to need is just a few items. So whatever jar you're going to use to put your ingredients in. So I'm going to use these cute little mason jars. You're going to need some ribbon. I'm going to use this holiday ribbon to decorate the jar with. Got some cute little bows, going to do that with. And made myself some cute little labels from Avery.com. I'm going to use these. And yeah, I'm going to put it all together and see how it comes. So first I'm going to add my marshmallows to the jar. I have big ones and little ones, so we'll just pour those right on in. And then we'll do the little ones. Next we'll do our hot cocoa. So I have some Starbucks and I have some Swiss Miss. So I'm a little uncertain about if all of the Starbucks is gonna fill it up to the top. So I'm probably gonna end up combining them just to be making sure that I got a full jar. So I'm gonna just add a couple of the Swiss Miss on the bottom, and then I'll put the Starbucks on top. Just to top it off. Okay, yeah. Woo, she may be perfect. Let's see. Look at there. Look at there. Look at there. Okay. Woo, we did it, honey. We got a full jar. Okay. So next we'll add our white chocolate chips in hopes of getting a full amount's worth. And if not, we're gonna roll with it, okay? So it's not quite full, but honey, it's gonna work, okay? And lastly, we're gonna add some peppermint. I have some peppermint sticks and I have some peppermint rounds. I think I'm gonna use the sticks. Yeah, let's use the sticks. So we don't quite have a full bag, but I think we can make it work, don't you? I believe we can. I believe in you and me. Oh, sorry. Stay focused, right? Get to work. Ooh, some of them are broke, but that's okay. It's gonna look super cute in this jar. I already know it. I already know it. Ooh, child. Yes. Put them all in there, honey, because we need to savor everything we've got. Okay. Ta-da! So I'm just gonna cut it down the middle here. What do you think about that? You think that can work? I think it can work. As long as we don't cut off the sides too early. Ooh. I think it's cute. Let's see. I'm gonna let you see. I'm gonna let you see. You just hold on. I'm trying to get our picture perfect here. So we could do that. So that's cute, right? Or we could just put a little bow that looks like this on there, and I can show you what that might would look like. And honey, you can just decide which one you like the best. How about that? Be sure to put it on the side so that you don't so that the bow doesn't cover up your little snowman or whatever picture you decide to choose from on Pinterest or on Avery. But I think that's beautiful. I think that's beautiful. So we're gonna see what the final look looks like. I'm excited. Are you? I'm excited. Are you? I'm excited. Button so that you can tune in for more wonderful holiday ideas, right? Ciao, ciao.